Hello, I'm Rahat Uppal, the product manager for the Manitou skid steer loaders, and today I'm pleased to present the all-new Manitou 1340R skid steer loader. The model number 1340R denotes 1340 pounds as the rated operating capacity and R for the radial lift design. The new Manitou 1340R skid steer bring exceptional power and high performance in small spaces, giving edge to the users in productivity and profitability. The height of the machine to the cab is less than 2 meters, which allows it to enter all the confined spaces. The machine is powered with Yanmar 2.2 liters 48.8 HP engine. The lift arm of the machine offers strength, durability and excellent view of the tires and across the loaders for increased safety. All the auxiliary hydraulic lines are well protected from falling objects and attachments. In terms of the servicing and maintenance of your new 1340R skid steer, all the access is readily available at the rear end of the machine. It is equipped with the heavy-duty steel engine cover. Air enters into the engine across the fan and is released outwards away from the operator. The big steel engine compartment opens up in an angle of more than 90 degrees, which allows the operator or technician to check the daily checkpoint. The Manitou 1340R skid steer is a complete versatile machine, having an option of GP bucket, 6-in-1 bucket, broom and many more, making it a multi-purpose machine at a job site. Inside the cab of 1340R skid steer loader, all the controls and instrument panel are at your fingertips, in the field of view, so you are not looking away from work. In terms of the safety aspect, the machine is equipped with a restraint bar, which acts as a secondary protector, and a hydraulic feature which doesn't allow the machine to move unless and until the operator is sitting on the seat. The Manitou 1340R is a T-bar controlled skid steer having auxiliary hydraulics and horn mounted on it. We also have a foot throttle in the right side of the compartment which is available with T-bar control.